Hey guys, welcome to my video. In this video I'll be showing you the features of GTI cluster and how to change the GTI cluster. So this is the GTI cluster. As you can see, the speedo is till 280 and the temperature and the fuel are analog displays, not like the digital displays in the previous cluster. To change the GTI cluster, you need to open this panel as I had shown you in my previous video, and then you need to remove this panel, and there are two screws over here. For changing the cluster, you need to you need to get the key get coded with the immobilizer, and after that only it will work. As you can see, there's a needle swipe which can be turned on in the previous cluster also, and this is an ambient sensor. So I don't know whether you can see it or not, but the ambient sensor is here. So if I put hand over there, the ambient sensor should reduce. See, as you can see, and if I remove the light, it becomes bright. Since your car has CAN bus, this ambient sensor also works with the audio unit. Plus there is needle swipe is there. Then there's the kilometer reading, there's the average speed, there's the distance, refuel, range, average consumption, instant consumption, travel time 1 and 2, speed warning, distance 1 and 2, and this is the refuel quantity. Plus you'll get this menu where you can change the language plus MFD data, which you had to do it previously through the VCDS. Then you can set the time, 24 hours, mode, hours, minute, everything. Then there are this winter tires. Then you can set the unit also for temperature, consumption. Once you get this cluster, you can also set bulb out warning. I'll be showing you how to do that. As you can see, I've removed the headlight socket. I'm going to show a bulb out warning. Plus it shows you which door is open, including the boot. Now you can see this is the bulb out warning. So once you plug the socket back in, it will and you start the car, the bulb out warning will go. The bulb out warning only comes after you start the car, and that too after a few minutes after that. Now if I turn off the traction control, a message has been shown. If I put in D and the handbrake is on, a message has been shown, or a beep. You'll hear a beep that the handbrake is on. If it's in neutral and you open the door, a message has been shown. once you shut the car, and if the lights are on, a message has been shown. For all these features, you don't need to do any kind of coding. It's a basic thing which you get with the GTI cluster. The only thing I've done with this cluster is I've turned on the seatbelt warnings and the chime for that. I hope you guys like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.